I'm going to show you real quick how to do the second page in the simple versus compound sentences worksheet. Quick reminder of how I got here. I went to class notebook. I went down to my name. I'm going to pretend to be Alejandro for this video. I click grammar and then click on simple versus compound sentences. Alejandro has two. That's just a weird computer thing that happens. So just do one if you're in this boat. My last video was on simple or compound, so we're going to go. Now we're going to find the conjunctions. So in my last video, I made you guys a list of the conjunctions. Let's do that again. Just ourselves. So when we think about conjunctions, we think about it's called an acronym. It means each letter has a word. So we think about the acronym FANBOYS, FANBOYS. Kind of a weird term that helps with conjunctions. So F in fanboy is for, A is and, N is nor, B is but, O is or, Y is yet, and S is so. So this is pretty, I'm hesitant to say easy, but I think it's pretty easy. If you know the conjunctions, then it's easy. So what you're going to do is read a sentence and then circle the conjunction in each sentence. So let's see if my little draw function works. I'm going to go up draw. I click on the pen. I click on the color that I want. And then I'm going to find the conjunction. There is a ladybug on the flower and there is a caterpillar on the leaf. Well, I clearly and, which is my conjunction. That list is right there in the middle sentence. Now, yeah, it is pretty easy. I think it'll take you guys a lot of time. One thing I will say is don't be tricked. So, I don't know if these are trying to trick you, but what it could do is it could say, there are ladybugs and flies on the flower, and there is a caterpillar on the leaf. And is only a conjunction if it's bringing two independent clauses together. Now, an independent clause is when you have a piece of a sentence that if you put a period on the end, could be its own sentence. Totally fine. So, for example, I'm going to do another drawing trick. Oh, I love this. So, this clause, there's a ladybug on the could be its own sentence. We've got a subject, we've got a verb, we've got a prepositional phrase. Now, after the conjunction and, we have another independent clause. There's a caterpillar. If I was if I was to start the sentence with a capital T here and have a period at the end, you would say to me, yeah, that's a sentence. So that's also an independent clause. So your conjunction brings together two independent clauses. So that's what you guys have to do. You don't have to highlight like I did. If you want to, great, extra practice, but really I just want you to circle the conjunction. Hey guys, let me know if you have any questions.